Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I really appreciate it. I'm LaShonda Cole, the owner of Legacy Accessories. I promised you that I was going to make some videos for you, some tutorials about doing some head wraps. I'm here. I'm late, but at least I'm here, right? I know. Today, I'm going to be doing 4 tutorials, or 4 different ways that you can tie your wraps with 2 different types of wrap. I'm going to have a long rectangle one, and then I'm going to have a short, kind of fat rectangle one too. So they're in the same family, but they're different lengths and different widths. So that's what we're going to do today. My first one is one of my favorite wraps just because of the color. Isn't it beautiful? It's like a royal blue and red. Just gorgeous. But as you can see, it's not that long and it's not that wide. See that? Okay, so what we're gonna do to achieve this wrap is I'm actually gonna have to put my hair up in a bun. If you don't have enough hair to put in a bun, or your hair isn't quite ready to go into a bun yet, you can always add height to your hair by putting like a t-shirt, or you could get a hand towel, or some people even put socks. You know, it's whatever you have around. It doesn't matter what you do it with, because it's going to be hidden anyway. It's going to be hidden under this beautiful wrap that I have in my lap. Okay, so now that my hair is up and now that it's looking a hot freaking mess, we're going to start. So what I would like for you to do is take the wrap and you hold it at the top, right? And this end here, I want you to connect it to the bottom end on the opposite side. So we're taking this and we're connecting it down here to make a triangle. Hope you saw that. I really do. If not, just let me know in the comments and I can do it a little better next time. But since we got the triangle, the crease, which is here, it's always going to go in the back when you want the design to look pretty in the front, and vice versa. Like if you want the design to be in the back, you put the crease in the front. All right, so we want the prettiness to be in the front. So where do we put the crease? In the back. That's right. So we pull it down and we bring these 2 ends towards the front. And I want you to see the back where I put it. See that? See how pretty that is? It's almost a wrap in itself. And what I like to tell people is that once you get your foundation down, everything else is easy peasy. Because what you're going to be doing, you're going to either be pulling, you're going to be tucking, you're going to be twisting, and sometimes you may even stuff the remaining fabric inside the wrap up here, okay? So, like I said, you bring it towards you and you want it to hit. You want it to, come down here where you want it to hit on your ears. I like it here because this way, when it's this low, it's kind of hard for it to move around. And a lot of people don't like it because they do it too tight, because they say their ears hurt. So just don't tie it tight. It's no biggie. So I pulled it there, got it here, and you take these 2 and we're going to act like we're tying our tennis shoes, right? So we're tying it just like that. And like I said, we don't want it too tight because you don't want to cut off circulation where your ear is on each side. Okay. All right. So now we have this. It ain't cute. It really ain't cute for, having bunny ears sideways. It's not cute at all. So as you can see, even though when I was tying it, I stuffed it before, but it's still kind of sticking up. So you just play with the wrap. That's all you do. There's no wrong way to do a wrap. Once the foundation is done, no wrong way. All right, so I tucked that. See that? Oh, that's kind of cute, okay. But we got these little 2 things, like I said. So I'm gonna twist again and tie into a knot. We still got pieces here. Let's just tie it again. We're gonna keep tying until there's hardly any left, which is right now. So you got these 2 little peak things, right? So what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna tuck it. It is not hard doing this. This is kind of cute because it kind of like, I see that knot right there, and then you got the height up here, And that's it. And that literally took, what, 3 minutes tops? Wraps are not hard at all. So this is one down, and I got more to go. The second tutorial, same wrap, different style. This time what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a bun. We're gonna place a bun on top of our heads. All right, so here we go. Ready, set, go. All right. So, pulling my hair up in a bun. Now, if you don't have hair to pull up in a bun, what I suggest is you get like a t-shirt or a hand towel just to give yourself a little height. And we want to put it right, not literally in the middle, but towards the front in the middle. Okay? So we got that up. And just like last time, we're gonna connect the ends together to get the triangle. All right, and like I said before, when there is business in the front, we want the crease in the front back. That is correct. Let's go ahead and put it in the back, and we're gonna pull it towards the front. And we want to pull it where we want it to hit our ear. You see that? The foundation, you can kind of see that. So we're going to commence to tying our shoes just like last time. And bam, look at that. So we have height, and we got these little thingies here, and then we got this little piece here. Now, once the foundation is done, we're either going to tuck, pull, twist, or stuff, just like I've always said, right? So since we see this little bitty piece, we're gonna kind of stuff that in there so you don't see it. See? Oh, it's beginning to look cute, ain't it? I know. All right, so now we got these two. So we're gonna stuff these in here. You see, let's do some stuffing, just like that. And the cool thing about this fabric, wherever you put it, it pretty much stays, right? Because it's the Akron fabric, and it's also wax print. And what wax print is the same on both sides, no matter which way you turn it, okay? So now we stuffed one, we tucked one, we have one left. What should we do? I think we should stuff it. Look at that. And stuff. You see that, you guys? So we have the same wrap, different style, and as you can see, none of these takes long at all. I bet you this took me, what, 2 minutes, if that? If I can do it, you can do it. Easy peasy. The third tutorial. It's a different wrap though. This wrap, the style, the length, this is one of my personal favorites. I love doing these, right? Okay, so this one, look at this fabric, y'all. First, let me just talk about this. Look how pretty this is, right? The kente is so beautiful. Okay, so this is actually 2 yards. Starts from here, and it keeps going and going and going and going, and bam. It's a long wrap. But it's perfect for what we're gonna do. Okay, so now as you see, my hair is down, right? And we're gonna do what I call the bow. And this particular bow can be worn in the front or on the side here. Either way. It can possibly even be done in the back, right? Okay, but I'm gonna do the one that's on the side. All right, so we wanna take the wrap and we're gonna fold it. We're gonna fold it in half, right? So, if the business is gonna be in the front, we're gonna put the crease in the back. As you see, I'm pulling it all the way back, right? And I'm pulling it to where I want it to be on my ears, right? See that? I got it all the way back, and I want my hair to show. If you don't want your hair to show, of course, you can always put it up, but I want this to show, these beautiful locks. I know, thank you. Okay, so we got them. So we're gonna tie our shoes just like the last time, but this time the strings are even longer. Look at that. So we fixing it to where we want to put it. So we have this, right? But you're like, Shonda, there is something wrong with the wrap because it's an opening there. I know, it's it's supposed to be. We're just gonna fix it a little bit. Even though my hair is still kind of sticking up there, it's not gonna matter in a minute. Watch. You're gonna be like, oh my God, that's magic. And I'm gonna be like, I know. Okay, so we have these two things, right? And everybody knows how to tie their shoes, getting little bunny ears, right? So that is what we are about to do. We got one bunny ear, right? And we're gonna make a second one. Let's bring it through. And we got bunny ears. Okay, so if they're too long, you can always adjust them, right? You can pull it in, pull them back out. So I think I want my bunny ears to be about this long, okay? It's up to you. It doesn't matter what you want to do, right? But we got this little thing and we have this little thing, right? So after we get the foundation, we're either gonna tuck, pull, twist, or stuff. But this time I think I want to pull it up and I'm gonna stuff it inside here to cover up my hair. You see that? Magic, right? So it doesn't matter that we have this open because we're putting the fabric there to cover it up. We're almost done. We still have this part. And just like last time, we're gonna pull it up and we're gonna stuff this in there, right? So as you can see, isn't these earrings pretty, you guys? I know, I just got sidetracked looking at the beautiful earrings. And again, these are all for sale, $25 for the set. You can comment, let me know what you want. You can go on Facebook, you can go on Instagram under Legacy Accessories, or you can just go to my website, which is legacyaccessories.com. Okay, so we tucked all that and we stuffed it in here, but now we have some funny looking bunny ears. This is not the look at all. So what should we do? Let's flare them out to give them life. Look at that. We're giving these bunny ears life. So we got one open and now we have two. You see that, you guys? This is so beautiful. Look. I only do really easy wraps because I'm a mom that got 50 billion things to do. As you can see, this only takes 2 minutes, maybe 3 tops. Either way, it's super fast. Like I said, you can wear it on the side like this. You can wear it on this side. You can wear it on this side if you want. And I'm just gonna go ahead and twist it so you can see what it looks like in the front if you wanna do that. See that? And you still wanna go ahead and fix it because we don't want it looking crazy. See? You see that, you guys? It is so cute. Got the little bunnies. I don't like it like this because I think it makes me look like Minnie Mouse. But, I mean, if you like it, I love it. So this is look 3 with the 2-yard fabric. And fourth and final tutorial. I have fun. I hope you having fun too, because I am. Now, same wrap, same 2 yards, 36 times 2. 2 yards. All right. But this one, you guys, this may be the challenging one. That's why I want to put this at the end, because if I would have put it at the beginning, you would have been like, I don't know if I can do that. But I have faith that you can. Watch. You're going to be like, oh my God, I did it. And I'm going to be like, oh my God, yes you did. Okay, so this one, just like the second video, I think, we're going to put your hair up in a bun. So let me go ahead and do that. Putting my locks up in the bun. Just like that. Okay? And with this one, this is the tricky part. This is one of the tricky parts. It's up, right? But it's not big enough because we're going to be doing the turban. And I want my turban to be kind of full up top, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some extra fabric and I'm going to wrap it around my hair. Now, if your hair isn't up already or I don't know, you may not have enough to put it in a bun like that, your fabric will probably have to be a little bit bigger or a little more if you want it to be full. You don't have to have it full. It's just my preference, right? Okay, so now that we have all my hair up, well, some of my hair up, we're gonna go ahead and put the fabric on. Unlike last time, I think probably the last time I told you to fold it, this time we're not gonna fold it because of the height, all this fabric and all this hair that I have up here. So we're gonna take the fabric and we're gonna pull it down, just like this. You see that? We're gonna tuck that baby up in there. See that? We got it high, just like that. All right, now, this here, we're not gonna be doing any tying. We're not gonna be doing any pulling or twisting right now. Right now, what we're gonna do is like a little crisscross, right? So we have these two, and I'm crisscrossing them in the front. Trying to keep my glasses on. There we go. So as you can see, I crisscrossed them. Now, after I crisscrossed them, what I like to do is I like to kind of flatten it out because we don't want extra fabric on the side where it looks like you have an extra ear. We don't want that. We don't want that at all. Okay? And that's kind of flattened out. That's really cute. That's fine. And as you can see, we kind of have like a little V going on right there that gives it a little like a cuter look, I guess you can say. So now that we crisscross in the front, and sometimes you may have an opening up here, and what you want to do is just stuff more fabric down there so we can't see the fabric or your ponytail up at the top. Okay, you see that? Well, we have these two extra pieces back here. Now, just like we did in the front, we crossed them. We're going to crisscross them in the back as well. So we got these two, and we're going to bring them around. What? What? Y'all look at that. Queen to be. Sorry, I was having a moment. My apologies. Okay, that was for Coming to America. Shout out to Coming to America. Okay, so we got these two little pieces. So we can tie them or we can stuff them, whichever one you want to do. If you like, I'll go ahead and do them both. So I'll just go ahead and do them both. So, see, I can tie them, act like you're tying your shoe. And you can do it like that. You see that? You can flare it out like this if you like. Stuff this up here. So you can kind of flare it out like that. And you can stuff this down here like that. And you can just do that. See, that's cute. God, dog, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Or you can untie it without taking it completely off, and you can crisscross again, and you can stuff here, and you can stuff here. You see that? So either way, you have your turban. Now, well, first of all, thank you for watching all four. If you did, if you didn't, thanks for watching anyway. I will be coming back hopefully weekly with new styles to show you. Different, probably the same type of wraps, the 2 yards and then the wide rectangle, but there'll be different styles. I would appreciate if you would like this video. You can comment on it. You can say anything like, hey, can you explain a little more on how you did that? Or can you tell me how to order this stuff, or just have comments, period. You like it, you don't like it, just let me know. And share and subscribe. That really would mean the world to me. It would. It really would. Again, thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you soon. Holla!